We're going to show here today on this buck how to properly cape the deer if you're going to have it mounted. A lot of times taxidermists, what we run into is not having enough cape long enough to put on the form you're going to pick out. And now in today's market there's so many different styles of forms that you can pick out. A lot of them has got the long legs on them, the armpits. If you're doing a pedestal type, they've even got them with having part of the leg on the form. So I'm going to show how to properly cut the cuts on this, not to mess up the brisket area on your deer. That's the main part that most of the time are cut short. If they cut off up here in this area right here and the form is this long, you hadn't got enough cape, and that's going to create a problem. When you field dress your deer, I always start down here at the bottom, come up and stop on him when you get about this bone right here. That's a good place to stop and get all the intestines out of him through this hole, and don't cut no further than right here. And that's giving you taxidermists a little extra skin to have. You need a little extra because they fold around the form and they have to be stapled or glued onto the form. So we're going to stop right here on it. That's right behind the front legs in this area right here. Most of the time, and this changes from deer to deer, this little curly-Q hair pattern right here, you need at least a foot past this curly-Q hair pattern to here for your taxidermist to work with. Then we're going to take and we're going to ring him around just behind the knee. We're going to ring this around, and you got white on the inside, you got brown on the outside. We're going to use this line. We're coming up to here, and then we're going to come straight across. Same way over here. We're going to ring him here, we're coming here, and we're coming straight across. And then we're going to cut this deer right behind the crease. In other words, the crease right here. We're going to come up about 4 inches past the crease, and we're going to ring him right around here. And that's giving you taxidermists plenty of room, whether you do a standard mount or a wall pedestal. That should give you enough hide for the taxidermist to work with. If you got a deer hanging, or if he's on the tailgate of the truck, be the same deal. You can roll him over on the tailgate and have the same, do the same procedure that we're doing here hanging, just whatever you got to work with. And we're going to take the cape off from here down, and you can leave the whole hide on. If you start up here and you want to skin your deer out, just skin him down and just leave the whole hide. But the most important thing is ringing him around the knee and where to cut this to get this all pulled down.